Just finished editing the video that went up tomorrow, and this is 2 days before you're seeing this video, because this video isn't going up tomorrow, it's going up the next day. I got the video edited. I said it in yesterday's video that I want to get it edited. I'm gonna pack for All In because we are leaving after the Santa Claus parade, which will be in this video, straight to Orangeville, and then All In is on Sunday. This video is just gonna be all over the place. I'll see you tomorrow, but it'll still be the same video. So we're back. It's the new day. You guys seen me last night after I finished editing the video that's going up today. You guys seen this video tomorrow. I explained it all last night. I'm gonna throw my camera in my camera bag. I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna work my 6.5 hour day, however long it is, 9 to 4. And then I'm gonna pull it back out once the parade starts and once we're in it. So give me like 2 seconds, which will actually be 6 hours, but give me 2 seconds and I'll show you guys our like the parade truck and stuff, because it is really cool. It is a cool looking truck.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! That parade was a lot of fun. I had a really good time. It was nice. It's more for the kids than for the company. Hope the B-roll sequence looked cool. I'm pretty sure they threw it together all right. But this video is being edited currently in a hotel in Orangeville. I'll see you guys when we get there. We made it here. I slept on the way. I can't seem to hold the camera steady, and it doesn't seem to want to focus. This hotel is a crack hotel. There's a hole in the wall. The door wasn't shut when we got here. It was 47.
It's 59 in here now.
Oh, it's 59 now. And there's marks all over the walls. The TV's not HD, and there's the bathtub's clogged. There is just a bunch of issues that are going on in this hotel, but I'm gonna cut this video here because I have to edit it tonight and get it up for tomorrow. Tomorrow is All In. It's gonna be so much fun. I'll see you guys then, and I will see you tomorrow.
Let me do the boosh.
Boosh!